see the fog? Okay, coffee's hot. Good. So requirement. Well. So today, yesterday I fixed the map thingy. Uh, we call it the map combobulator. Um, and what? Okay. Uh, I was gonna go here. I swear I saw it. Maps. There we go. There's a new endpoint to download map files. And in order to supply those files, they have to be converted because they're in the bot player format. Fi-man. Danger. This is danger. Yes. Okay, so yesterday, this map had no textures. And this is just using. Oh, actually, I'm dumb. This is on the Fiveman website, which is using the folder of maps that I gave Fiveman. I just converted all of them myself, zipped it up, sent it over. But now we have the combobulator. And what the combobulator does is it combobulates. It takes the Roblox map files, downloads all the textures, meshes, and unions, and then uses those assets to generate the map file, which is the same thing that the map tool does, except the combobulator is using Amazon S3 bucket, or at least a S3 compatible API for the asset storage, whereas the map tool just uses files on a disk. So that works. Well, at least I assume it works. So you may notice the floor is missing. I do not know why. But those are the kinds of things I want to fix this week. Okay, so why don't we run this map? Hey, and just check out what the errors are. Oh, map tool. So we can just go like this and then check it out. Terrain filler. Well, it looks like there was 0 errors there. Hmm. Does this strafe man run? Bam. Tools, run. Oi. Unlucky. Alright. Alright, so this is somewhere. I'm gonna need to keep this open. Map file strafesnet. Okay. Strafe, tools, run. Yeah. You know it. No. Oh, well, I guess I cleaned it. I guess before I do that, is there any Rust updates? Is there any Rust updates? Nope, just nightly. Oh. Hmm. I should probably close this. Oh, it is closed. Oh, I just remembered. I broke it. It can, it can stay broken. I need to work on the map bugs. Eh. Okay, that should work now. Okay, so this looks exactly like that. How am I gonna figure out what's going on here? Um. Mm, I think I'll actually use Roblox Studio. Uh, where's the script finder? Hmm. Shoo-wee. Uh, bruh. 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 You can't even scroll this thing. Bobux? Hello? Script finder, no suffix. So we know what map it is. I know what map it is. Oh, can I not copy paste here? Okay. Nice. Okay, so it clears the clipboard, but it doesn't. Okay. One. Okay. Wait. Is this like a goddamn mesh or something? Oh. Okay. No, I don't understand. Okay, so that's right there. But the gabagoo underneath of it is not a gabagoo. I wish I could alt click. Oh my god, bro. So it deletes them map. All right, you know what? Well, no, I actually have to know. Okay, well, that's a freaking wall. Oh, there it was. Okay, so it's literally just a normal part? Huh? Why is it missing? Oh, this is the end. I'm dummy. These aren't... Okay. Grass. Yeah, okay. Okay. So it's using terrain. Okay, I just don't support that. Okay. So that mystery is solved. Another map that's busted. How about Omnific? That's one that would be nice if it looked good. But it looks like this. Okay, so map tool Baba Booey. Convert error, no such file or directory. Huh? Huh? Is that really the only error? Okay, how about download assets. Oh, that's okay. Okay, so it doesn't believe that this exists. I'm dummy. Okay, that's GG. That's a lot of these errors. Okay. None. Forbidden asset delivery. Can I just download it direct and it's GG? No. What happens if I go to look at it? But like, it looks like there's more than one failed asset download. Where? You and I. Dev measure generic 15. Whatever. All right, so there's a single texture. Okay, let's try again. Like this. Okay, so now we have some errors. Okay, we have a lot of errors. What is the exact error here? Get pivot of instance. Okay, I need to put this into a goddamn file. And use a real editor. Okay, mesh with 0 size? No file or directory. Mesh not found. And then we just get into script errors. And it's just script errors all the way down. 4,000 lines of script errors. Base parts are missing a property. Are missing a property, buddy. Uh, mm. Burp, burp. Bro. Okay. We go. Goodbye. I can't use this, that's right. Go away. Okay. Okay, Control Z doesn't work. Shooey. Okay. Oh, why is it laggy? Bruh. Alright, the following base parts. Consider the following. Prop dynamic. Okay, that's just going to be a billion parts. Stages, stage 18. Entities. There we go. Let's F it. Wait, that's funny that it says missing property. Let's see. What? Stage 18 entities prop dynamic. It says base part. Huh? 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 Oh, dot missing? Oh, dot missing. Okay. Missing props surf LT trail parent. In here. Okay, primary part. Wait, what? We're not in Tesseract, right? Trail parent. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Prop dynamic missing props. Oh. Trail orbit rig trail orbiter 1. Oh. Oh. Wait. Oh. Oh. It ran the script and made these craps. I see. Well, that's interesting. So this script got to right here, and then it died. That's cool. Hi, car police. So my Roblox emulator is working pretty good. That's a lot of code that it ran. Okay, so it made a part. But it wasn't filled with default properties. Okay. No. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So we don't really care about this. Like, whatever. Could implement this, but that is actually no. I gotta focus. Okay, so that was the convert. I converted it. And now I run it. Okay. And it has missing textures. But like a lot of missing textures. Okay, let's see specifically which texture this is supposed to be. Alright, let's find the beginning of the map. The map. Stage 01. Okay. Okay. Look at how nice that's supposed to look. Ooh! Okay, we care most about the surf. Okay, so this is... Uh-oh. Okay, that says it's a different one. Okay, so it looks like there's a bunch of overlapping mesh parts. Let's see what this looks like to move. Okay, so it's like that. I messed up. Why does Roblox Studio do this? Okay. Hello. Control Z. Hello. Control Z. It crashed. Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. So this just looks normal. Oh, I can't copy the freaking ID. God damn. Okay, T1 underscore surf 02 underscore 001. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Okay, so for each boo in the goo, okay, why don't I do if object dot name equals T1 surf 02 T1 hello T1 surf 02 001 print hi, and then we go strafe map, yeah. Okay, now we run it again. And then I check the hi. I printed hi, right? How about Squabbert? Okay, so I think it actually just didn't find it. Am I stupid? T1 underscore surf 02 underscore 001. What? It literally just can't find it? Oh, I'm not running this version of the tool. Strafe, target, release, map tool. Well, my back. F for Squabber. Squabber. Okay. So we found this specific part. Hmm. Okay. So now we want to know. Well, hold on. Primitive. But it's not a primitive. Hmm? Okay. We try that. I just want to like make sure that I know what's happening. Ah. Okay. So I put a print statement next to where the mesh part texture is located. None. Well, if I see. I think I figured out why there's so many missing goobs on the goob. What is this? Surface appearance? Oh, is this goddamn... Is this material service? I'm gonna need to research this. My converter does not support this. So this is a brilliant discovery. This is probably why there's so many maps with missing textures. Surface appearance. What this? Okay. It's just for mesh part. Color map. You mean like texture? What happens if I set this to 0? Uh, huh. Bruh. Albedo. Uh. What? Uh. Phew. Okay, well. Okay, so that. Hmm. Okay, so here's Mr. Get Texture Description. So I'm gonna need something similar that says. Alright, is there any goobs in this? Surface appearance. Okay, shut up. Go back. Okay. Okay, it's instance object. There's nothing goob on this. Appearance. Okay. Okay, so this is get surface appearance. Hello? What? 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 Control Shift P. Snake. Jeez. Okay. Oh my god, bro. So does it always have does that over I have no idea. Get texture description, texture content. Okay. Um which one does it override? I don't know. It probably just does both. That's probably what it does. Okay. I honestly didn't expect to find something so glaringly missing from the converter. It is just clearly missing a feature. That's really nice. That's not a big deal. Okay. This re-indexes it every time that this function is called, which is a lot, but it's not crazy. Tony Lee, are you okay? Okay, there's music in this song. Surface appearance. Wow. Okay. Children filter. Classes. Wait. DB classes get class. Oh, okay. So it's not an iterator. Geez, this thing is kind of whack. Isn't there a... forget. I think there's like a good way to do this. Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's the strongly typed version. Oh my god. So none of this is real. Wait. Mesh content. Oh no, we're looking at this. Color map, metalness map. Help. Color map. Metalness map. Normal map. Roughness map. And then that's all content. We got content for days. That's kind of not what I wanted. Boing, boing, boing. So then I'll steal this. Go like this. Boop, 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 snake, boop. And there it is, folks. Okay, but I don't know if these can be like missing sometimes. Must you specify? Okay, so I think I a new recoverable error. A decal has been spotted. Surface appearance. No way. Oh my god. And then all right, so that should handle the error. You made the converter. My brother in Christ, you made the converter. The textures don't work? My brother in Christ, you made the converter. Yes, I made the converter. Isn't this beautiful code? It's not. Okay, so texture ID. I think. Well, let's see if there's anything missing first. I expect not. I expect that it wouldn't be missing. So get content URL color map basically, and then we don't have any like cube face business to worry about. We just go like, oh yeah, dude, I found a texture, man. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, high five. None of that business. Returns texture. Option stir situation. Hello? Why is this on my cursor? And then what's up? That's right. Okay, so this is an extra. It should probably just have one. None. All right, let's try this. If let sum equals, then return some, and we'll roll with that. Indeed. Okay, we do what? Okay, so what's going on here? This guy goes, okay, render IDer. Content render IDer. Arbor blar 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 blar. Probably we want this goob first, otherwise that goob. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Or else situation. So we go. Oh, did it? Is it like mega unused? Size. Yeah. Do we need to do this? I'm thinking. No, because it's just grabbing the little guy. Get surface appearance. Ah. And then that's how it works. Ah. Ah. Okay, so then or else F. Indeed. Indeed, sir. Very true. That is true. True, true, true. So true. Okay. Did I fix it? Go away. I don't know. Okay, so there's actually new stuff to download. Homely Domely. Okay, so let's see. So that's in the map tool, I think. Unique. Yes, sir. So accumulate content. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So then this content ID content. Yes, sir. So we want to call it something special. Okay, BDT. TUQRS element of P. I. Okay, so then surface appearance. Surface. Okay, before I do this, let's do a little. Okay, so map tool alphabetize content search. Okay, we can get rid of Squabbert here. Squabbert has done his job. Well, load surface appearance and then fall back to mesh texture. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is a two-step process. First step is to locate and download textures, meshes, and other things. And then the second step is to turn those into a map file. Yeah. Okay, thinking methinks. I am doing this. Yes. QRST. Surface appearance. No way. So we're going to grab a goob like this, and it's going to go boop, 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 and then whoop, 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 whoop. We need help. This is right here, and then this is like this. Go. Yeah. Textures. Yeah. Wait. I think I got it wrong. Content. Okay, I almost died. Content. Okay, then Bob blocks, same thing. Content. No way. Yeah. Why does this say like this? This property is hidden and not meant to be used. Hidden. We'll see, I guess. Oh, there you go. Okay, surface appearance. Okay. Okay, so now we build it. Yay! Yay! So now I have to run the thing that downloads the thing. The thing that does the thing does the thing. Arr. 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 So then this goes like that. And arr. 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 Wait, what? Why is this there? Huh? Okay, it's builded. Okay, it's probably gonna run. It's doing something. 15 downloaded assets. Yeah! Okay, so then now convert. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 ah, 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 ah. Oh, 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 ah! Ah! Well, it looks better than it did before. That's a crying shame. Roblox, I believe, has a bunch of Z fighting shenanigans to like make it not happen. So yeah, Roblox just has like a bunch of, you could just like slap a bunch of things that are like right on top of each other, and it'll try its best not to Z fight. But my game engine, it does no such hard work. And I don't really want to support that either. You should just not have things that are trying to fight with each other. Okay, that is awesome. I think that would fix a ton of maps. Let's take a look at the log. Texture, there it is. There it is, folks. Squabbert got a texture. Let's go, Squabbert. Okay. Goodbye, Squabbert. Yeah. Okay. So, map tool. Download surface appearance content. And then RBX loader, load surface appearance for mesh parts. Yeah. Oi. Ooh. I want to run the thing right away. What will ear? I mean, yeah. Minya. Is it backwards compatible? Okay, add script timeout is part of Roblox emulator. Okay, what did I do? Remove stupid buh. Is that compatible? No. This is a public interface. So I have to publish a new Burbex loader. Burp. Oh, it already, I mean, it's, yeah, okay, cool. Vigo. Oh, it's, okay, I'll just make a new, lib, okay, new version. Well, I guess I can just kind of wing it, actually. Map tool. Git, okay. Go, my steed. New version of the map tool. And then I'll run the big chungus here. The all convert. Map tool. Download assets. And then I think I could do this, right? No way. And we'll see what happens. This will probably take a while because it has to download a whole bunch of new assets. Build it again. A map tool 3.0. All right. All right. We're going to run just the biggest conversion possible. All right. We can monitor the log here. Sparkles main. I don't know how to get these. Oh, actually, there should be some sort of local folder, I guess. What? What? Sun, moon. Sun and moon. Woo, woo, woo. Das ist verboten. There are Roblox game asset. Why? Why is there a new URL for Roblox? Random crap. What is that? Oh. 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 Image unknown. IZ. IZ. We're losing workers here. Image unsupported. So I made it oopsie. Huh? CLI. I'm doing unwrap somewhere like a dummy. It says here CLI 238. Here we are. Unwrap. CLI convert texture error. Oh, it just task.spawn. R. Is that okay? Unknown format, but then it doesn't say anything. Okay, let's see if I can print the first Goob characters. Download result. What is download result? Huh? Oh. Receive texture. Huh? Send texture. Huh? Data. Huh? Download result. Huh? Cached data failed. Okay. Okay, Bubby. Are you done? No, it's just doing its thing. So it should just be like downloading assets one at a time, and it also converts them with the library called Texpresso. This is probably crashed by now. Roblox Studio just crashes after like an hour, which is awesome. We got the juice. So convert texture download result. Right. So convert to DDS. Load from memory. Image result question mark. But okay. Okay. So let's see. What is source using? Image. It is it image? Bow. Texture to DDS. Convert texture. Convert texture data. Data receive texture. Receive texture. Send texture. Send texture. Send. Give me them textures. Give me them textures. Earth. Oh. Texture. Where is it reading it? Okay, it is load texture. Okay, go to definition in. File name. Recursive VMT loader. You done? No, it's just going. It's just doing its thing. It will sometimes use CPU. Finder.find. Right. Cow. Pack get. Tree get. And it's why is it cow? Right, because it's compressed. Okay, so that's just like some data. So how do I know what format it's in? Help. DDS from image. VTF. Oh. Oh. Valve. VTF image. Frame size. Oh. Hey, there it is. Dot decode. Oh. VTF image. Header format, VTF format, image format. Okay, image format is just the like pixely formatty. Decode VTF header. Arr. We got the juice. DTX. I believe it's DTX3. Well, I can't use that raw, so like it just has to be converted. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, look at it go. Convert those textures. Yeah! All right, while I wait, why don't I also fix the bug in the mesh? Mesh data. Is it mesh data? Yes, faces. This guy. Face range markers. So face range markers is not real. And I don't know what it means. It always confuses me when the map tool like goes down and it uses less CPU. I'm like, oh, it's done. No, it's just waiting for Roblox to serve its HTTP requests. Ooh. Okay, so I assumed it was always 2 or 3, but it is very not. Uh, it has a 32 thread pool, or however many processors I have. It'll use them all. It wants to crunch through the textures, but Roblox just doesn't serve them fast enough most of the time. Ugh. It's so fun to watch. So, range markers. It's not a real thing. So I don't think I return this, right? Yeah, no, I read faces inner and I return something else. Okay. So yeah. So range marker count is a U8. And then this is a vec U32. Yeah. And then this is just not real. Yeah. Okay, so then faces changes completely. So there should be at least one, and then um, um, additional vertex lists. Of unknown content. Possibly LODs, something. So unfortunately, this changes the public interface, but it was wrong. So, oh, map tools done. Oh, 1,000 assets downloaded. Yes. Okay. Now, I want to convert all of them maps. No worry. Okay. I mean, go for it, right? Run the track. It should only take a few minutes. Or a few seconds. Oh no, it's still going. It shouldn't get stuck anymore. How much memory? Oh! Wow. That thing is so fast. Oh, there's... Yeah, so this is the error I'm fixing in the mesh decoder. Is there's 4 range markers, which I never observed. So, texture decoder is wrong, or the mesh decoder. Is there more errors or less errors? There's less errors? I think there was 56,000 lines of errors before. Yeah. Well, that's cool. So that worked well and good. So what's another map that is like sucky? I forget. Let's texture. Let's search for texture. All right, let's see. This is... Oh. We just need this. 365. Okay, this is map ID. That tools run that one. Looks like we're still missing a bunch of textures. Is it missing fewer textures? I don't know. Well, I guess let's check it out. I wanted to fix the decoder though. Let me do that. And then I'll check out that. Okay, so yeah, so the ranges should never include less than 2, but it might be 3 plus, it appears. Okay, how do you call this? I can't make it a joke name. It would make sense for it to be anything other than indices. Let's see. It's special, right? Oh, it does that. I have no idea. I think it does this at the indices boundary. Jeez, I don't know. Okay, so this is not real. Basically, I need windows here. Windows of size 2. Map. Split off. Right. Okay, so this is like so I need to take each pair. It's like ranges. That's why it's called range markers. So it goes like I have a huge list of indices. And it's like, hey, index 0 through 726. That's one of them. Index 727, I guess, through 5 billion. That's number 2. And then it like lists those and they don't overlap. And that's what this Windows thing does is if I have a list of numbers, it does 2 at a time. And then I can take the numbers and slice into this other list. But the thing is, it doesn't have to be like an allocation. I guess I can have a special case for 2. If inner range marker count equals 2, then okay, self indices, and that's it. And then yeah, it's like this. Otherwise, we have to like to map. Oh, actually, I don't need to do that. I can skip, can't I? Ah, interesting. But then I need to accumulate and subtract. Okay. Mutt. I guess. Oh no, that I can do it here. Mutt. I mean, is it one less line of code? It's not. Okay, think. Right, so I'm assuming that the first is 0. So I think I can do just like, all right, goodbye. We don't need you. The dot iter. I guess I can into iter because like we're only using it once. And then that's a yeah, I guess I say just that, and I say let it equals mutt it, And then the first one has to exist. The second one also has to exist, but ooh. Okay, I guess this is match. So 0, 1 is an error. Ha ha ha. So we can't make a goob out of this. I don't know, man. Actually, I guess this just works, doesn't it? What's up? U2 does this. And then other does this. What's your deal? Use of undeclared type. Okay. It just had a deal. Okay. E. Who is E? E is E. Okay, what do we got here? What are we working with? Error. I mean, it's kind of like this, but like... Not enough range markers. Right? Okay, it doesn't hate me. Awesome. Okay, so then now we build out this list. The first one's free. And it should be 0. Right, it's this. Skip one, it, next, unwrap. Except unwrap isn't it. First split is equal to it, next, okay, or error, else. Then we do one of these scooberts. Question mark, semicolon. Maybe I just do unwrap. Why don't I do .len? Because then it doesn't freak. I could also create the iterator and then do next and do it that way. Interesting. I'm just trying to like minimize the number of error paths here. So if I mutt here and then do let some marker 0 equals it next, else uh, 0 semicolon return semicolon. Marker 0, marker 1. And then 2. I guess this pattern just continues, except now we do a for loop. Oh, kind of. I don't know. Okay, let's just do it. And then the else case is this. Help. So if there's no marker, okay, so then the first thing we do, I see, yeah. So now we make this, and we split at marker 1, split at marker 2. Jeez. So we have to go. We're behind by 1, I guess. Mutt. God. Oh, okay. So yeah, no, it's literally this. Marker 1. Oh, no, that's wrong. Unk dot push indices split off marker 1. Okay, and then now we have a for loop. For marker in it. We split more off of something. Ah, crap. I think this is the play. It's very fancy code. Iterators are. So my plan is to say, hey man, split marker 1. So I need a little temporary guide here. Let mutt remaining indices is equal to split 1. So we know that there exists this. I believe this goes here. Push remaining indices. And then indeed, I believe we take this and put it like this. So we say marker 1 marker 2 equals marker indeed. So boop, for every additional goob, put the goob in the goob. Split off. So this guy is making a new one. So then I want to take. I see. I see. So I think I can steal ownership here. Go underscore unknown push. And then immediately write to it. So I steal it and then deal it. And it lives. And I push the markers down. Jesus. And then we return like this. And I did it. Except I am not sure because I winged it the whole time. Okay, so if so marker 0 isn't used, if it's not 0, but then I don't know. Indeed. So if there does not exist a third marker ID, I don't know. Third, if this is the third one. If there does not exist a third marker, then there is 2 markers, and that's the start and the end of the list. And that's the entire thing. But if there does exist a third marker, hello. Then for every additional, so we've drained 3 markers. So our list, so this will loop x minus 3 times. So it'll push x minus 3, but then plus 1, plus 2. X minus 3 plus 2. Yeah, x minus 1. Yeah. So the number of markers in the list is the number of lists plus 1. The number of total. Good. So I think this is correct. So we push marker 2 equals marker. Do we need both of these? There's 2. Marker 1. Oh. No, we don't. Okay. It's marker 2. Okay. Yes, I see. So if marker 2 is the last one, it runs 0 loop iterations and then puts the remaining indices in. Okay. There it is. That was my mistake. Okay, now it makes sense. To do check if marker 0 is always 0. I know the basics of Python. I want to understand on a deeper level. Should I go for C++ or Rust? Yes. So, it's like I like to say that 70% of learning a programming language is learning programming. But I guess if you've already learned Python, you really mostly know programming. There's a whole lot more to learn. But it's all like self-contained niches. If you know for loops and if statements, you can write a lot of software. So I would say for Rust specifically, if you've seen like Rust hype videos or whatnot, and you're like, yeah, Rust, then learn Rust. If you think, no, C++, we've got to stick to principles or whatever, just, yes, learn more. Always invest in yourself. Go for it. Okay, so this split indices according to marker points. Yeah, so learn Rust if you want to learn Rust. Learn C++ if you want to learn C++. That's the straight line answer. Okay, marker 0 is unused. So indices split off. Merp. What does this do if the index is 0? Greater than len minus at other len. Indeed, set len. Okay, so there's no special case. So I would want to make a special case. Okay, so yeah, no, literally. Okay, if marker 0 not equal 0, then indices equals indices dot split off marker 0 as usize. And then so we just drop indices at the start of the list. This actually does a new allocation. I don't know. Why don't I search for it? Rust drop in elements at the start of vec. Indeed, sir. Drain. Drain panics. Indeed. Oh, split also panics. Is there split off checked? No. Panic. 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 Okay, so if the file is misformed, it'll crash your program. Yes. Great. Awesome. I love that. Yeah. We don't, we can just drain, I think. 0 marker. And that'll work. Drain. So then mama. So if we oh, actually that's going to go like this. Haha. Does this have special cases? Huh? Panic. Hiya. Okay, so now we want to drop the indices at the end of the list. Oh, that's right. I have to. Okay. Mutt. Remaining start index. Actually, I mean, I could just use this right here. And then mutt marker 0. Mutt. Use marker. Wait. Huh. Talking in music, I hate it so much. So I need to do something like this, but at the end of the list. And also, this is wrong because this is relative to the current length of this list. Indeed, sir. Oh, actually, indeed. Marker 1. Okay, oops. We don't need this at all. Oh, we do need this. Yeah, so basically we do this here as well. And then, yeah. And that's it. Almost. So it's going to look exactly like this, except indeed. Oh, it's I see. Drain the rest. Indeed. So if doesn't equal then oh. What? Huh? Oh my god, bruh. Okay. So if the number of indices in the list is bigger than the distance marker 2, then we drop after marker 2. Marker 2 should be equal to the end of the list. Gobbly, dobbly. Insert the final range. Insert so indices is the first range. Okay, well, this is an algorithm. Haha, yes. I have made an algorithm, yes. Indeed. So now I need to test it. Because it's probably wrong. Let's go. Hello. Like it. I like it because like there's only 2 possible error points, and in the way that I was doing it before, I could have more than that. It is possible for your markers to just explode. Marker does not equal 0. If marker 0 as usize is past the end of the list, then unlucky, man. Just unlucky. Marker. So the markers are unsigned. They're supposed to be monotonically increasing. Monotonically is like time, but like, you know what I mean? They should only go up. I don't want to check the things, man. It's freaking annoying. Just if you have a bad file, deal with it, okay? I guess I could check them like here or something. I don't know. That would be nice. Cuz then I don't have like a billion code points. Check markers for validate markers. Oh my god, bro. So I don't know. I want it to be like its own little thing. Let range is equal to this guy dot len, and then so there's a list of no indices. Okay. Okay. As U32? Nah, I guess I would go the other way around. So how do I initialize it? I guess I can iter and then if flat. That would work. Okay. So then this doesn't need to happen until we're inside. Semicolon. It next. Okay, I just not here for this. So we have to start with this last marker. Not range contains. How do you? How do I deref this but make it mutt? Because like I can do this. Mutt? Jeez. Bruh. Okay. Great pain. Great pain. What if I no filter map? No. Okay. So there's two errors here. There's marker out of range and there's marker is wrong. Whatever. Marker out of range. Marker number. Jeez. Out of range. Okay, so if it's not, hello? What? That's weird. Hello? What? Like this? Jeez. Okay, marker number 15 is out of range. Oh. No, this is always 0. I guess it's fine though. And then now we do the for loop. So okay, so this is checking if the marker's in range. We also need to check if they're increasing. So now we have to check both. So for the entire thing, marker in it, if it does not contain very bad marker, if the range is not containing the marker, then we can say marker I out of range. And then we can also say marker is not increasing. If marker is less than last marker. So if it's equal, then like we get an empty list, and that's not a big deal. Last marker equals marker. Is less than marker I minus 1. Okay. Marker. Okay, this is like stupid bad errors, but like at least it's doesn't crash. So parse don't validate. Here I am validating. But like who knows what the data holds? You could just like throw random bytes at this and it would crash your program if I don't check it. Oh my god, bro. Well, all right, let me smash this code into a test function. Okay. Where am I? None of these. I am mesh. Dagwan. All right. This is really assumed to be more indices. Okay. Cool. Faces range markers assumption is wrong. Wow. Okay, so then we have code. There's code. That's the code. Wow, that's code. And then test the test. Test. Oh. Self. Unlucky. Faces 5. Buddy. All right, the code. So self. How about faces 5? All right. Function say. Function. It doesn't matter. Result. I could probably just use the types. Faces 5. Error. For real. And then now I need this faces inner goob type. I can just blast one. Screw it. Help. Go away, go away. Wait, is that allowed? Am I stupid? Oh, they're different scopes. Interesting. Okay. So it shadows it. Okay, so that should be real. And then indices. Indices is a VEC U32 muttable. Error. And then that's how it is. And the function it does. Faces 5. Ahaha. And that's the code. Haha. Yes. Okay, so now we go A. We make some test cases. Faces 5 inner. Boy. So we don't care. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. Range markers. Indeed, sir. VEC. Pain. Range markers. 0, 3, 7. And then the next argumentative is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we have range markers 0, 7, we should get the first tree, and then the next those ones 5. Let equals A. Unwrap. Okay, yay. So now I have a test. What do you use? Vertex data? Huh? Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so then print them, okay? Print indices. Wow. And then unknown. Whoa. Oi. Question mark. All right. There's an algorithm, and I have a test. Now I test it. So let's see. I am nowhere. Why is there a raid siren? Okay. Cargo test. Sure. No capture. Test that one. Test the test. Please. So I would expect to see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is there more tests running? Oh, because it's called test. Okay. Okay, great. Oh, look at that. 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? 6, number 6. I think that is right. I think my algorithm worked perfectly first try. Okay, so if I insert a new element here called 8, or with the value 8, that 7 should go into another list. So it should print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as a single list. Did I save? No, I'm a goob. Ah! I see. So the last marker is allowed to be the length of the list. Okay. Contains. Oh, okay. I think I can do it like this. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It does matter. I hate this. No. Validation. No. Oh. How do I make this check not happen when it don't be needing to happen? I need to grab the if I need a special man for the last range marker. I could write this. Why don't I'll write it. Okay, if I equals range markers dot len. -1. -1. I think this is the best way. And then this becomes else if I is the last one, zero. I just realized I'm checking a range for an unsigned value. Max. You know what? I think I'm chilling actually. I think I don't have to do this crazy. I think I can just say if it's less than or equal to the list length, then we're good. Because if you go and then you stop and you do 3, you get an empty list. If you do 8, I think that just works. So I don't think I need special cases here. Yay! Undo. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Help. Okay, so. Huh? Oh. Okay. No. So, the marker must be less than or equal to indices.len. And that's what's up. And it must be increasing. And this is not real. Marker just must be less than or equal to the last goob. And that's the only condition. It should worky. Wow. I need to add that to this other one. I have a code copy, like a goob. Last marker. Good. Marker. Good. Okay. Okay. What? Oh, I had it backwards. I'm stupid. Okay. ooh, ooh, e, ooh, ah, ah. Indices dot len is less than marker. If there's, yeah, okay, good. There we go. 7. Ooh, okay. Well, that works, eh? So let's try. Let's try. Okay, where's the test? Help, where's the test? Right here. Okay, so 8. What if I say 8, 8? That should give an empty list at the end. With no panics. Oh, look, there it is. Oh, cool algorithm. Wow. Okay, and then if I say 3, 3, then there's an empty list at the beginning. And if I say 0, 0, the indices becomes an empty list because that's the first one. But the first one is guaranteed. It's like valid by construction. It's like a vec of one or more items by putting the first item here and then the rest of the items here. Type situation. Okay, I'm glad I tested it because it was wrong. Well, it wasn't wrong. It was the check that I made for it was wrong, but the algorithm was perfect. Fix validation. Okay. Test algo, I guess. Yeah. Such a feeling. All right. So, how can I make this code less idiotic? Why don't we just smash it into AI and see what it says? AI. It's AI. It's AI. AI. How I make my code better. Oi. 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 All right, let's just say this code mega sucks. Please recommend some improvements. Oh, go AI, go. Is it just stuck? Yep, it's just stuck. Stop. Try again. Bruh. Alright. I can make to this code snippet. Hopefully that's a better prompt. Oh, it actually finished. I didn't expect that. High level design. Random struct inside read options is only used locally. Yeah. It makes the public API noisy? What do you mean? What? Makes the public... How is having a private struct making the public API noisy? What? Duplicated inside of read options. Oh, am I stupid? Hold on. Wait. Read options. What? function is duplicated? Read state machine. Huh? What do you mean it's duplicated? Huh? Great. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Unknown. Whoa. Missing documentation. That's true. That's true. No tests. Doesn't know what it's talking about. Clone. Do I not have clone on some of these? No. What? What? The logic for negative values. It's not negative. This does not appear anywhere. That just doesn't understand anything. That's the point. Error messages duplicated, I guess. Quadratic time. Really? Building the subvectors in a single pass. Oh. Hmm. 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 Take. So, okay, if you use like drain. Collect. You need to take. I need to like split. Can you split iterator? Stir. Peak. Yeah. Eh. uh. That is not what it does. Huh? Huh? So the biggest I've seen is 5 markers, so this is not a huge deal. But like I really care. Yes, this is bad. Man, this is so hard to like look through. Ooh. Isn't that just the same? Oh, jeez. Why don't I look that up? Split Rust split off quadratic. Okay, that's not helpful. So it could just be hallucinating. R. I mean, my code works. So I am actually doing this now. Inject position. Buh. Oh. Data. Hmm. 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 Uh, I guess I can grab it here. R read seek. So, do I need to question mark this? I think I do. Buh. All right. Good enough. Okay. Um. So the main goal is to decode successfully and make the data available. Indeed, yeah. So I want to do this because it can panic by using the data to index a list and it's out of range. So make sure it's all in range and then use it. Okay, that's pretty cool that it works. Uh, uh, union mesh data add support for more than 3 range markers in faces 5. Faces 5, yes. This is CSG Model 5, right? Hey, okay. More than 3 range markers in CSG Model 5. So I thought that it would either be 2 markers or 3 markers, but it's just n markers. At least 2. It should be at least 2. And that's why I have this separate. I got no idea. Oh my god, bro. So I shouldn't need to update any of my code here. So this is a major version bump. Oh, give me the test mesh. Yeah, man. Oh my god. Do we have bin RW? How do you do this? :5. Okay. Does it say tor? Doesn't say which asset ID it was. It just says error loading mesh. Wait, is this a real song? What? So someone just covered it in like 2018. The version of this song I know is new. Unlucky. I was lied to. It's a cover. Okay, so I need an example, a counter example. Okay, so I need to find this mesh. Bhop Tropical. Okay. Okay. So let's go download the map and then download the mesh. Or actually, I already have it. So maps. Tropical. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a new map. I guess that makes sense. I should have it though. Okay, the map. It's the map. Hello map. I'm the map. So then, AI go away. Thank you. And then we run Bobux Studio. So I can inspect the mesh ID. Is that gonna let me do this? Yes. Damn. Get objects. One. Okay. 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 Dot Taurus. Fellas. If there's a Taurus. Dot rot. Rot. Oh, it's a union. Oh my god. What? Oh, that's a... Oh, okay. Taurus 9 watt. Watt. Oh, this is completely something different. Oh. 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 Tracing this is so hard. So like with, oh, it's a union. With unions, It doesn't tell you, right? Yeah, you just don't know. It's all hidden, and all this stuff. Okay. Do I know anything about this? Let's F this. Error loading mesh, E. Okay. Do we know what the a is? Mesh ID from asset ID. H. 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 What was our first language? A visual language used with Mindstorms NXT. There was like this like a Lego bar, and then you put these functions, I guess, onto the Lego bar, and it would like run the first one, then run the second one, then run the third one. And then you could like have an if statement that has 2 branches, and you put things in the branches, and you have like a loop that like goes like this. Is that Scratch? No. It was a custom Lego thing. Oh, it's this. Where? There it is. Whoa. So like, look, there's a loop, and it goes, ooh, and then you got your like Lego bar thing. And this is a light sensor. If it's light, it does this. If it's dark, it does that. Microphone. So yeah, you have all sorts of stuff. And this looks nothing like the programs that I would write. The ones that I would write had these wires just going everywhere. It's like... And the software would crash constantly. And I actually smashed and broke my first laptop because I was programming and I was fuming because it crashed. Yeah. My first text programming language was Lua, which was in Roblox. I was playing Script Builders. Nor. Should I don't know. How do I figure this out? Do you know C by any chance? No, I do not. I went straight from Lua to Rust. Ha. So it kind of knows. All right, screw it. I'm just gonna make it go, and it'll go. Actually, I could format that. Ahead of time. All right, so now I don't need to copy it. Okay, so now I can possibly debug this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Trait bound. No debug. Oh. Whoops. Oh, game? For real. Really? Oh my god, bruh. My man doesn't have debug. Jeez. Okay, so now I'm building this, and then I'm gonna run the singular map called I'm the map. Who did this? Tropical. And it'll print something, and something will happen. So it's gonna print. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Trust. So what I need... Oh, wait. Do I have the... I should have it. Oh, great pain, great pain, great pain. All right, there it is. Run the track. Ah. Was that irrelevant? Okay, that was the wrong map. My error plumbing is not so good. I want to have an example of a mesh with 5. What is it called? Range markers. But I don't print the IDs ever for anything. All right, this is too hard. I should really test it. I should really test it. I can't find it. Okay, I believe I have been sent this from God. Okay, so this map should have it. There we go. Okay. Woo! Okay. Are we able to be able to find the unions there? Okay, so there is a folder somewhere. Unions. 23,000 unions. Oh, so there's a file here. I don't think this is the union file. Let me take a at the code. Union. Union. It's... Wait. let's see. Union high. 37 mentions of union. Uh. 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 Mesh data, physics data, asset ID content, high, asset ID, high, content, union content. Okay. So that is the index and that's the content. It downloaded that one. Yes. So this is not the real data. The real data is inside. So I need to. It's. Is it in the map tool? I believe it is. Loader union. Read entire file from reader DOM. Physics data, mesh data. Yeah. So this is where the data comes from. So I'm gonna need to like run a small program like this. Like it is possible for it to possibly include the data inline, but it probably doesn't. The amount of fallbacks, it's like cascading fallbacks. All right. Okay, so let's just assume, for the sake of my sanity, that it is in the file, and now we gotta wab it. Union mesh data. Should I make a little tool? Sure. Okay. Extract union data, whatever. Extract union data. Help. And then it shouldn't be async. I guess I can make it async though, because it's got files. Okay, subcommand dot input file, and that should be it. Oh no, output folder, I guess. Should I? That's kind of a bingus. Okay, so we just smash this anywhere. Function extract union data. I don't know. And then is this a anyhow? Am I? Okay. Where's the it should be here. Yeah. Okay. Extract union data, and that's it. Input files required equals true. Oh. Files. One file. Arg. Long. Okay. Okay. Let's grab it. Input file, output folder, result, uh, read STD, spawn blocking. Okay. Whatever. Alright, screw it. We do it. Let data, oh, true. Equals to Tokyo fs read input file question mark semicolon hallelujah. Can we do a result? That would be kind of nice. And I could just question mark everything. Yay. Unnecessary qualification. Okay. Okay. We can just unwrap, man. Like, it's not. Like, panic. One expected, one child. The child. Missing instance. Space. Lowercase. Panic. Panic. So, that's not real. That's not real. Okay. Write the files. So, how do you remove the file extension? Set extension? I think you, yeah, no, there it is. Okay. Path file stem unwrap. Output file. Join. Output file. Physics data path equals boom dot clone boom dot not real data physics data whatever, and then write it, do it Tokyo fs write bow contents data bow yay mesh data go mesh data. What are you coding for? Hold on. 1 second. Mesh data. Huh? Oh, it wants this. So there's this cool website that's cool that plays bots replays from my game in your web browser. And it's very cool. But if we look, these things are missing textures. The missing texture is replaced with Squidward. So I'm like looking for bugs in the map converter to fix the missing textures, basically. And I found a, oh my God. Do I have Euster? Mein Gott. Oh my god, bro. 2 matches. Mein Gott. Okay. Roblox down week. Euster. Okay. Input file. File stem. For real. Deref coercion. Borrow. Huh? Oh, mutt. That's so true. Okay, read true as path. I could also do this. Oof. Yay. Okay. 5man is hosting. Yes. 5man is hosting the map files right now. But the map combobulator project is finished as of yesterday. And what that does is whenever there's a new map fix, it goes, oh, there's a new map fix. And it downloads the Roblox file, looks through the Roblox file, finds all of the textures, meshes, unions, and stuff, and downloads it from Roblox. And then once that's done, it converts the file and bundles it up into a nice file format that I made for the Strafe client that includes all the meshes and textures, so that when you open this player, it could just be like, download the map, and it includes everything you need to render it. And yeah, it was bugged yesterday, not bugged today, so the website can switch over. I sent 5man all of the map files, and they'll like slowly get out of date, right? But now we have an endpoint where you can download the latest map file, and they're kept up to date. It's a big project. I'm surprised we did it in like 3 days. It's kind of like what KSF has. They have a bot player as well. Well, it's freaking cool. Everyone wants a bot player. Of course. Okay, so this code should work. I am going to... What is going on? Oh, Roblox Studio? Understandable. Surely I can just close this, right? No. Don't. Krakow 10. Surf Krakow 10. No way. Alright. Okay, so we convert this map. No, we don't convert this map. We run the extract. I don't know what I'm doing. Extract union data. Input file. Blah, blah, blah. Output folder. Just right here is fine. Yeah. Okay, so then who, where, what, huh? Okay, so then up we go. And there's the mesh data. And now if we put it in the wee. Okay. I gotta write a test. Huh? So it's CSRML5, and it is busted. Underscore 5 help. What's the? Okay, I'm just gonna steal it. Yay. Okay. Couldn't read file. Oh, _5. Okay. I guess. I could call it mesh at 5. Like, whatever. Okay. Okay. So then now this test should fail. So let's run the test. Cargo test release. Oh, it should pass actually. Okay. Add. Test mesh with 5 range markers. Indeed, sir. And then I can go move it down, and then we can go check out this comment, and now it should fail. Okay. We go. Okay, now there's a test! Okay. Oh, that was extra work. Okay. So now I update the version 6.0 v060 fix range marker logic CSG model 5. Yeah, cargo publish. Actually, it's straight up me a public. Oh, I have to. Cargo. Rates. Okay. All right. I tested it and it works. Woo woo! New version. Okay, and then now we go use the new version within the software. Extract union data. That can stay. This was just to get the ID. I should probably have some kind of way to do something like that. Map tool, add command to extract union data. Okay, and then anybody who use the Roblox Mesh RRR map service. Roblox loader 6.0. Why don't we do equals? Oi, what? Huh? What? There's only one ever? What? Huh. Okay. Well, that's nice. I didn't release a new version because I figured I would do more work. Time is it? Hell yeah. So I think I call it smash this into all the repos and then smash the combobulator and then we let it rip. All right. Roblox loader. Hi. That's the one, right? Yeah. Cargo publish registry strafesnet. Oh, I have to bump a new version. That's right. That's right. Is it incompatible? I think it is. Let's see. CCCCC Roblox loader. I released it somewhere. Uh-oh. Oh, it's the emulator. Okay. Loader. So the latest loader is 9, and then the loader had this added. This is not a breaking change, but this is a breaking change, so I do need to bump it. Oh my god. Okay. $10. Oh my god. Roblox loader. So two things. Fix. Stop talking in music. So difficult to think. So I fixed support surface appearance. Fix CSG model 5. Update. Why don't I say Robux Mesh CSG model 5 update? There you go. Fix. Okay, so that's ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah. So then this, go. Yeah. Okay, we are in. So then the map tool gets an update. And is that an incompatible update from the map tools perspective? I don't think it is. I think it's a minor update. And it's or wait. It exposes, I don't know. Let me look at the code. All right, so in the map service here, the combobulator process does this stuff. This is using the loader. The change that I made changes the loader convert function right here, loader mesh convert. That does not break the though. It kind of does though. I'm just gonna say it's a little minor thing. It's a bug from the map tools perspective. It's a bug fix. This whole business should probably be contained somewhere sensible. It should probably be refactored completely. It's kind of idiotic. But we ball. Okay. So we're gonna publish a new version of this. 301. 01. Wait. Oh, this is the surface appearance. I think that's the only thing from the map tools perspective. I might just kind of go ham on the dependencies here because I have some time. Map tool, go for it. Yay. So now we go over to the service and I'm going to start going crazy. So in our little TOML dude. Oh, I don't have workspace anything. I see. So I'm going to want to specify some workspace dependencies. Probably like this. What's the other one? The other one is in bot player. It's going to look more like this. So do we have Glam here? No. No. Okay, so there's no Glam. There's actually none of these either. Really what we're looking for is like this. It is a little bit crazy. Go. And then now here dot workspace equals true. And then yeah. So I know that that's used in multiple places. Okay. DOM weak. Okay, I think this is only here. Serde. We can put that in the all workspace. Serde. It is Serde. Workspace. Thank you. Tokyo. Definitely this one. Yes. Tokyo, yes. URL. Tokyo stream. Heller is that? Huh? Is that just unused? Go to definition. What? Oh. Oh. Oh, it is used. Next. Okay. My fault. My fault. Serde. Workspace. Jason. RR. gRPC. Okay. None of those, right? Yeah. Okay. Do we build in the old repo? Do I even have it open? Maps service cargo build. Just build everything. Cool. Okay, so the Scoobert's do Dubert. Oh, I should have updated Glam. Oh no, that's a common update. Wait, Glam. No, I'm looking to update something else. Okay. Right. The whole point of this was to update things. Cool. Submissions API, Combobulator validation. Well done. Okay, so then pull common dependencies into workspace. List workspace dependencies. All right, and then if I try to update cargo update, it'll do things, and it'll say, I couldn't update XYZ. Indeed. Oh, loader. Oh, I guess it's not there, is it? Loader. And then rec west. Right. This one breaks. And who did this? Downgrading. What? Nats. Should be good there. So then the loader, there's one change needed here. It is this. And then insert mesh. Oh. Data. Clone. Unlucky. I guess I could pull it out. Mesh convert. Error. This is like an internal thing, so there's no such thing. Oh, yeah, that's not real. And then, so now this goes like this, data. So this is mesh result, and then this. Semicolon, mesh result. So our error is here. Ah! Oh, semicolon. You goob. Okay. It's the Rust guy. I'm the guy. I'm doing the Rust. Update deps notably loader. And map tool. Okay, so why did we downgrade? Whatever. Okay. We do not care. Oh, plus 577. Okay, my guy. Who is what? What? Where's the plus? Somebody released a native Linux title client. Somebody or title did? Or there's a new one? Where's all the new spin? Like who? Get random. Is it literally just little things here and there? Buh. Pretty please. Who is depending on pretty please? In what world are we printing Rust code? Like, there's so many minuses that I'm shocked that it's a plus overall diff. Oh, Wasm encoder. Boy. Wasm encoder, Wasm metadata. Who has Wasm metadata? Wit bindgen. Who has wit bindgen? Wit parser. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Wit. Okay, wasip. Is he what? Okay, so it just randomly is bigger. Okay. Some Reddit guy. Is it an AI project? I bet it is. All right, we're building the world, rebuilding the world. Surely it all works. Okay, this should do good. I don't know how to tell if it's vibe good or not. Basically, let's see. Uh, dot Claude. There's a little signal. This, if it's full of emojis in the README, usually it's AI. Like when the developer can't even be bothered to write their own README. Okay, so map service getting an update. So I guess I'll wait and see. If this builds. But yeah, now we should have way more textures. Woo! Seems fine after download. Is it like brand new? Yeah. TypeScript, Rust. Could be real. Most new projects are not these days. Not real. They're fake. I mean, if you want to use random software, you go right ahead. You have that right. I use random software. Waiting. What time is it? Nice. Got some good update work in. Are surf ramps fixed on Strafe Client yet? No. I'm working on graphics this week. Gonna try and fix a bunch of missing textures. Like, look at this. Omnific. Looks beautiful, right? In the thumbnail. But then you load the map. Ugh! Ugh! I fixed this today. Kind of. It still has the Z fighting, but all the textures are in. So I'm just like getting all the stuff through the pipelines to like make the fix apply right now. This looked for me a couple weeks ago. It should work on the map tools. You have to rebuild it and everything, but it's not worth the effort. Or maybe it is to you. I don't know. Are you done? Yes, we got a big check mark. Okay, so now oh, why don't I could also merge some of these, eh? Check for maps with the exact same name. But let's see. One of these was a huge mess. 19, not that one. 87. Check. Huh? When checks succeed, huh? Oh, I see. It was taking a look if the dingus could dong. Okay, check for maps with the exact same name. And then limit the names. Which one is the chunker? It's this one. Okay. All right, why don't I merge, like this is fine, right? And then what's this? 326. Yeah, these are fine. Okay, I'm gonna like re-review this. 323. Checking to see if it's longer than 50 characters. Display name. 50 characters. All right. Surely that's good. I guess it'll just fail if it fails. That's okay. Into staging. And then okay. And then we also want 325. Check for maps with the exact same name. This one is display name not unique. All right. Oh my god, bro. What do you mean when checks succeed? Yeah. Okay, 325, 326 should be good. So I have to refresh twice. To staging, beautiful. Conflicting. All right. So what branch is this? No 500. Should be good. Damn it. Rebase. Okay, that works. Fine with that. Okay, so this says 1925. Same patch. That's GG. Okay. Laziness XDD. I guess there's a chance it doesn't build. Sure. If we go like this. I just don't want to hear that. So it's running checks. Oh, it builded. Deets. Yeah. As long as the back end builds, we good. Yay. Okay, so then this one, just squash it and bosh it. Boom. All right, and then the last one is like a chungus. Huh? Isn't it changed branch now? Huh? Huh? I closed it and deleted the branch. 325. Huh? Am I dumb? Oh, yes. Okay, I'm dumb. Can now be deleted. Does it not change the merge target? What the heller? Okay, who is this branch? Pull requests. Map fix checks. Map fix checks. Right, I have to pull this. Rebase, surely. R. Can I do it the other way? Help. No. No, I have to think. Oh, I have to think, man. Okay, I'll think later. For now, we can not think. Oh, the branch was not the same branch. Am I dummy? I don't know. Okay. I did some stuff. Check that map fixes do not change the things. I think that's a good idea to do. I guess I should review this. Review? No. Okay, I'm gonna like take a look at the staging website once this all builds. Once this all settles. Uh-oh. We got a no-no. Oh, it's just a skrook. Okay. When did Strafe Step 5 become a thing? This website is sick. A pretty long time ago. Yeah, I'm pushing updates to the maps website right now. Ah. We can check the GitHub. How long has this existed? 307. Oh, 5man updated it 30 minutes ago. Why do I have to do this? What is wrong with GitHub? Can I just go to the very beginning? Like, what? This sucks. Why can't I just... Alright. Does it say on the project somewhere when it was created? Freaking GitHub is useless, man. At least 9 months ago. What did 5men do? Promises should be awaited. Yeah. Quality. Can't view replay multiple times in less than 5 minutes. Interesting. Is this a catch? Catch. Shoosh. All right, we built. We're all built. All right. Does the website work? Yes. What did I add? What did I just merge? Help. Sort. Okay. So limit display name and creator to 50 characters. Surely that works. It's Rust. Check for must be the exact same name on submit. Okay. And then categorize errors. Okay, so it's just like little bits. And it doesn't affect like the back end. So okay, so what, or it does affect the back end, but like it doesn't affect the face of the website. So what kind of new service, new error? Okay. 324. Exact same name. So I can't really test these. Well, but I can. But I'll just fix it if it doesn't work. Scream test. Haha, yes. Deploy updates. GG. This is the same thing. We already know that this builds, so YOLO. This can take down the whole game, but we hope that doesn't happen. Yay! Okay, so now once it deploys, this device does not support web GPU. Are you using Firefox on Linux? So you need so Firefox only supports web GPU on Windows, not on Android or Linux. But you can toggle this setting, and then it works. I believe it's buggy. It like sometimes lags and stuff. It mostly works. It's not like Firefox production ready approved yet, but you can enable it, which is nice. You couldn't do that previously. I had to use the nightly version of the browser. In the future, we would like to support WebGL, but I haven't done that yet. I was working on the missing textures. Oh yeah, there's so much stuff I can do. It's such a new project. All right. Do we have deployment? No. We're waiting. 5 minutes to deploy. Jesus. It's the combobulator that takes so long. Duh. Right, because it has to build the WASM. Bruh. No, No, it doesn't. I'm tripping. Maybe not just black screen. Some of them do actually crash. Some maps. Try a different map. It can take like 5 seconds to load. Because it has to download the entire map. And that can be quite large for maps like Omnific. Build. Oh, it's building. Map tool. Combobulator. It's building. Oh, it's done. Deploy. Yes. Deploy. What are you doing? Do it. Do it. Well, how does it take 14 seconds? Check mark. Yeah. Okay, so we are now deployed. Indeed, sir. So now the prod version of the maps website has the new stuff. So what I want to do is I want to rerun the combobulator. Discombobulate. So this is how I do that. Yeah, and it'll just like download more textures, I do believe. Yeah, where we at? Where we at? It's where does it do that? I'm gonna double check that I'm not wasting time. Bobulate. Bobulate. What? Where did it go? Bruh, it's just gone. Z error. Huh? Am I just on the wrong branch? Yes. Okay, that's why. Process. So it does. Yes. Okay, it's using the get unique assets function, and the get unique assets function includes the it's collecting all the assets, which includes the surface appearance, the new thing. Okay, so I am not wasting time. All right, discombobulate. It's going, probably. There's no way to know. Roblox is unplayable on Linux. Classic. Yeah, it's flaky on a month-to-month basis. Every like 3 months, it just is broken for a while. Before Sober, it was like that as well. With the Windows client, it didn't work. It did work. It didn't work. It did work. Okay. Discombobulate. Combobulate. Well, fantastic. I successfully held off pushing updates through until I'm like ready to end the stream and stuff. Yes. Okay. So I found a like really big bug with the map tool where it just didn't include things using surface appearance because I didn't know it existed. It's something new, and lots of maps were using it, and it just didn't see it. So it didn't download the necessary textures or try to apply the textures. It just ignored it because I didn't know it was there. Hopefully that fixes a large percentage of the textures on the maps. I believe it will. Okay, I think, yeah, keep using it. Tell me if you find maps without textures after about 2 hours, because the map combobulator needs to combobulate all the maps. Discombobulate. Oh, I'm gonna tell its name. I'm very happy with that. This is exactly what I wanted to fix the missing textures. We'll see if there's more missing textures to do, or if I have some other things to do. I want to put my check marks in here. Combobulate. Ooh. Whoa. That wasn't even in my check marks. I did a secret project. Okay. That is all for today. I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to work on the conversion some more. Probably. Well, if I find more maps with missing textures, I'll take a look at that. Otherwise, maybe I'll try to update the graphics somehow. You know what? So there's two main things that make graphics look good from where it is now, and that's ambient occlusion and shadows. Ambient occlusion could be kind of tough, but shadows, I guess, can also be kind of tough. And they can also be tough on performance. What's the best way to do the shadows? Because, like, you need the, like, texture from the perspective of the sun, but can you, like, render onto the screen native pixels? How would that work? No, you can't do that. All right, well, I'll figure out things. It's been so long since I worked on the graphics. I just got it to, like, functional, where it's not lagging, and then stopped. But now there's a reason to work on it, and that's the web player. So that's another thing to work on. Okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow.